Hey guys, what's up? I'm Shamel and you're watching Shimi's Kitchen. Today I'm making China grass and custard pudding. Simple and easy to make dessert and the best way to enjoy a lot of fruits in one go. It is an absolutely delicious dessert and so many textures, so many flavors, such vibrant color. So let's see how to make it. First, I'm going to chop the fruits and refrigerate them until further use. Although I have added many fruits here, you can add just bananas, anything you prefer. In a pan, add 300 ml water. To this I'm adding agar-agar. This is a natural thickener, is mainly used as a gelling agent in puddings, white and semi-translucent. It is sold in packages as washed and dried stripes or in powdered form. Now let it dissolve in a slow flame. Till then I'll make custard. In a heavy bottom pan, add 500 ml milk, bring it to boil. Once it comes to boil, add half cup sugar. Mix well until sugar dissolves. Add custard powder to the 1/3 cup of warm milk and mix until there are no lumps. Now add this custard powder mixture to the boiling milk. Mix well continuously. The milk can stick at the base of the pan, so keep stirring until the milk thickens and turns creamy. Now you can see the agar-agar mix is completely dissolved. Now pour this agar-agar mixture in custard mix. Mix well continuously for 2 minutes. Till then I transfer the chopped fruits in casserole. You can also use jars to serve. Now I'm going to pour this vanilla custard mixture on the fruits. You can even add tutti frutti or some chopped nuts to the custard. Cool the custard at room temperature, then refrigerate it until chilled. Then serve and enjoy. This is an easy dessert recipe and loved by all, whether kids or adults. You can easily make it in advance, chill and serve. The juices from fruits will get mixed with the custard while eating. The entire dessert will taste amazing. I encourage you to try this and let me know how it turned out for you. And follow us for more short recipes and updates on Instagram page shimis.kitchen and subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Take care, stay safe and have a nice day.